Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Narwal Z10 Ultra error codes 1082. The error reads, Sensing System Error. Please restart the robot or contact customer service. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. According to our research, the error comes while using the device. As per our research, the error likely indicates a system malfunction related to the robot's sensors or startup process. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart the device. Simply remove the power cord from the base and wait for at least 30 seconds. Then, in the app, restart the robot. Or alternatively, you can press and hold the power button on the robot for 10 seconds to restart it, then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes and the device is new, make sure to remove all packing materials. This includes any plastic films or packaging pieces that might still be attached to the robot. Once done, check for the error again. If the error still continues, clean the sensors on the device. Gently wipe the sensors using a soft cloth and make sure there is no dust or debris. Then check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, contact Narwal support for further assistance. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.